Jed Madela.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Good evening, everybody. Hi, nininervyos po ako. Kasi normally, pag ina-announce yung pangalan ko, kanta agad. Pero I just want to take this chance to thank Ate Reg. Thank you very much for opening so much for all of us. A lot of opportunities, a lot of doors, windows, and a whole lot more. Maraming salamat. Hindi mo lang alam kung gaano ka-influential sa aming lahat. Isang example, yung isang bata na galing Iloilo na humanga sa isang Regine Velasquez. I remember collecting my baon when I was in high school kasi gusto kong bumili ng cassette ni Ate Reg. Yung unang-unang cassette na nabili ko na pinaghirapan ko ay ang kanyang 1990 na album. Yung May Narito Ako. Kasi yun yung pinaka-goal ko, kailangan maabot yung kantang yon. Pero ang malas ko, nung time na yon, dun po umiba yung boses ko. Hindi ko na naabot for a while. For a while. Pero seryoso po, Ate Reg, you have inspired me so much to the point na minsan naririnig ko na yung boses mo sa boses ko. At hinihingi na ng mga audience na samplein ko yung boses mo lagi. Naging part na ng mga concerts ko. But you know what, looking back, it has been a wonderful experience looking up to you, listening to your songs, watching your concerts. The very first concert that I watched was in 1997. Your retro concert sa Folk Arts Theater. Siyempre, nandun po ako sa pinakalikod kasi hindi po ako maka-afford ng VIP seats. Galing po akong Iloilo, nag-aeroplano pa po ako para makapanood ng concert. At hindi ko makakalimutan nung sumasayaw po si Ate Reg. Nahulog po siya. Sobrang worried po kaming lahat, pero pro. The show went on. And ang dami kong memories. We were talking sa likod ng mga memories namin. Ang dami. And one memory that I will never ever forget is when I guested in one of your shows at binuto mo ako ng sapatos mo. May inaantay ko pa hanggang ngayon yung LV mong denim na bakya. Alright? So anyway, ang dami ko pang pwedeng ikwento. That little boy in Iloilo who just wanted to sing. Hinanap ko manager mo, Ate Reg, yun. Yung naging una kong manager din, si Tito Ronnie Henares. And you know, it just went on and it's such a wonderful experience. So tonight, I want to sing a song that one of my first Regine Velasquez songs that I recorded in my first album. Ito yung kung maibabalik ko lang. Sana magustuhan mo ang version. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to the one and only Miss Regine Velasquez. Ate Reg, para po sa lahat.